Dadan Faqir. Date of birth 17th January 1906 AD, born in the village of Wara Taluka, Mia Dadan Chanjni. She was a Jew by caste. Her father's name was Dani Baksha. She received her early education from Mr. Sahib Khan Shahati in Gav Mihrab, Sandeli, and received her education in Arabic and Persian from the great scholar and poet of Lalu Rainak, Hazrat Nazaf Ali, Tariq, and was a teacher and mentor. She lived in Nasirabad, Kambar_Shahadat Court for 23 years. After that, she made her home at Radan station. She was a busy poet with whom she used to entertain hearts and villages. Flowers float in the air, doing nothing, doing nothing. Some are beautiful, some are beautiful, some are beautiful. Some are in a state of dancing, some are in excitement. Some have started to bloom, some are doing something, some are not. Some are wearing beautiful clothes, some are wearing blood-stained clothes. Some are wearing a body that is heavy, some are doing something, some are not. The late Dadan wrote poetry in Sindhi, Seraiki and Urdu. He wrote Bait, Dohera, Kasida, Munajat, Maulud and Kafio. He used to sing in gatherings. He used to sing in musharas. Sometimes he used to sing in gatherings. And his student Sultan used to play the Faqir instrument. It is said that there was no great delicacy in Sundar's voice, but he understood the principles of the path and the rhythm of singing. Sundar is the embodiment of ghazal. I died in front of God, my beloved. My grave is in front of Sanda's house. What does the word Kanzi mean in the mouth of a dagger? The word Kanzi in the mouth of a tyrant. Hey, think and be patient, Dadna. The word Sir in the mouth of an enemy. There are also elements of satire and humor in the words of poor Dada. The following is a collection of poems by the late Hamza Ali Molai and Gul Hasan Gopangshad. Remember the words of a friend. Your luck is bad, your strength is weak. Dilbar has eaten my heart with a knife. My heart has been cut with a knife. Give me what you have done. My burden has been lifted. Pug God sadly. Do not deceive the heart again. Love does not let you be deceived. A dear friend does not stop gambling. A thief does not stop stealing children's crops. A thief does not stop stealing at midnight. A soldier does not stop fighting at sea. A merchant does not stop trading in the city of Dalasan. A merchant does not stop trading in the city of Dalasan. He had a strong vision and a strong mind. He would fight for them, which the Sundanese appreciated and respected. Rahman, who was a lover of Pyaro Khan Rind, Altaf Hussain Janori, and Muhammad Somar Halwai, were very good friends of Dadan Faqir. He was a creative person. He was also a lover of Dadan Vangar Sai Palur. He was also Dadan's brother, who was also a craftsman. Kambar Barsan, the friend of Dost Ali, the landlord of Sare Muhammad Nawaz Nach, was very respectful to both of them. He would send or receive clothes and grains as gifts. He would compose poetry and call himself his grandfather's disciple. The poor man wore a large cap and a light scarf, and he tied a belt. The complexion was distorted. The idol was a symbol of love. The wind blew, and the body turned pale. The poor man was a very rich man, and his life was hard. But he was not a very rich man. A truly honest, simple and sincere person deserves great respect, and the world is proud of him who has wealth in his heart and who is free from all desires. His feet were clean, but his forehead was not covered with much dirt. His clothes were cheap, but his conscience was burdened. You have stopped the pilgrimage in ignorance. You have stopped the pilgrimage in ignorance. You have stopped the journey of knowledge. You have stopped the journey of the soul. You have stopped the journey of the soul. You have stopped the journey of the chiefs of slavery. You have stopped the journey of the chiefs of slavery. You have stopped the prayer without enthusiasm. You have stopped the prayer without enthusiasm. You have stopped the reverence of the disciples. Stop having relations with them. Muhammad, who's a slave if you are a nation. Stop giving to poor boys. God, you are 85 college students. Stop dancing with girls. If you're a poet, stop this heart. Don't be a poet. Don't be a poet. Stop telling news without knowing.